Well, hello there. Today is the very first episode of our first DIY video. I think I just explained that it was the first one. Never mind, I had to say it twice. Okay, as you can see behind me, I have built myself a super awesome Nerv Gun Rack. In today's video, I will show you how I built it. First thing we're going to do is position the guns on a flat surface, like a table or, in my case, the sofa bed. Make sure you have all guns positioned where you want them to go, plus any other accessories you may have. I also have a machine gun, however at this time I can't figure out how to mount it on the gun rack, so we're going to leave this one out for now. Next we're going to measure what size we want to build it, leaving enough room on each side for the edging. Okay, so for this project we're going to need wood, obviously, L-shaped brackets, long screws, black marker pen, a saw, and an adorable tiger-striped tabby. The cat is just there to cheer you up if you cut off a finger or something. For the wood, I have chosen simple tongue and groove boards and some decorative rails for the sides. Next, we're going to measure 30 inches lengthways down a single piece of board and cut. Quick tip, the handle of most saws can be used as a straight edge, if you don't have another option. Also, if you cut it straight enough, then you can use the piece you just cut out as a template for the rest. Once all of them are cut to size, we're just going to simply connect them all together. If there are different patterns on each side, make sure they all match. Then one more time we check the measurements and make sure we're correct. Next we add some strengtheners to the back of the gun rack. We're going to need to cut these lengths to fit all sides, which will then be tacked to the boards. Before attaching the pieces, it is recommended that you use a long piece of material such as a straight edge to push all the boards in place, like in my case I've used a piece of wood. Then add a few tacks on each piece to support the project. Next we're going to take the decorative edging and measure the longest outside edge and cut. Then we take another piece of edging and place on the edge of the fresh cut and make another mark. This is going to be cut to make an angle. Then take a piece of medium sandpaper and smooth the edges. Then we're going to tack them to the boards. If you like, you can also use a bit of wood glue to help with the process. I have chosen not to in this case, mainly because I forgot to buy it. Once completed, fetch the guns and place them on the project where you would like them to go, plus any other accessories that you may have. Then we're going to take a marker pen, color of your choosing of course, and draw around each gun, taking care not to move anything out of where you want it. Next we're going to place the L-shaped brackets for the guns to sit on where we feel best to place them. It is recommended that you put each gun back in the place where you want it, just to make sure you're happy where the brackets are going. Once you are happy with the positioning, carefully take the guns away and screw the brackets to the project. A Phillips head is recommended, however if you don't have one, then a Doctor Who sonic screwdriver will more than suffice. Then all that is left to do is mount the project on the wall and place the guns on the brackets, plus any other accessories that you may have. And there you have it. Voila! Your very own easy-to-make DIY Nerv Gun Rack. Now needless to say, it doesn't have to be a Nerv Gun Rack. It could be a, Xbox controller rack. It could be a, guitar rack. It could be a real gun rack. Make sure you license those. Or it could just be a good old rackety rack. What the shit is that? Once completed, you are then able to, use your imagination as best you can while conducting your games. I just thought of a super awesome idea for a short film. Oh gee, I wonder what that's about. Roar, super slow motion, roar. So, hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Johnny. It's the very first one of a long line of series of DIY videos, I most certainly hope. I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle. And if you enjoyed the video, why not subscribe? Also click thumbs up. Why not leave as many comments as you like if you have any questions? Now say hello to my little friend. And, I don't know. I'll see you later, I guess. I'll be back. Roar! Super slow motion roar! Oh, shit.